If we look at this everyday example of cooking, where you may want to heat up a pan of water, we'll be able to see the three main types of heat transfer. In the first example, we can see that the thermal energy is radiating from the fire and heating the surrounding air. This in turn is heating the saucepan through conduction. The thermal energy is then transferred from the bottom surface of the water through to the top surface via convection. Similarly, in the second example showing an electric hob, thermal energy radiating from the heating element causes the bottom surface of the saucepan to heat up, leading to conduction of heat to the rest of the saucepan, and therefore heating of the water through convection.